So I've got this USB RGB IC strip light. It's 2 meters long. It has a remote. You can control it by app. IC means that you can change the colors. Not only like it won't be like only one color. It will be different colors throughout the whole strip, which is really cool. You can use it for a lot of things. Let's unpack it and check it out. So you can see everything that you need is here. You just need to open this and that's everything. So we have the remote. Check it out. It actually has a battery as well, and it's really nice and slim. So you can see on off the colors, and then you have white as well, and you have different modes like rainbow, meteor, stars, fire, modes here as well. Not sure exactly what these are, maybe changing modes, changing something, and the length, the brightness, the speed, I believe, and also it can listen to music and change colors by syncing with the music, which is really nice. Now let's take this one out of here. So this cable is quite long, about 1 meter, I believe. That's USB-A. And then we have some buttons here to manually control it, and this is for the remote. And we have here 2 meters length of the RGB IC light, and this can also be cut at these various intervals, which is really nice. And as you can see, 3M tape, which should stick really nice on any surface. And as you can see, the light strip is like really in the middle here. I think you can cut it like at almost any point here. Almost any length you can cut it, which is really cool. A really interesting thing here, to not leave it rolled up when you're using it. Spread the light before connecting it to a power supply, which I'm doing it right now. I'll spread it out a bit so it doesn't just sit here. There's also like a small manual, which you have the app functions and other stuff here, and remote functions. Oh, here are the favorite modes. Okay. Something really interesting about this light, it has like 360 LEDs for this 2 meter strip, which is like 180 per meter, which is like a lot of LEDs. Yeah, basically every cut here is like an LED, I believe, which is wow. Let's plug it in. There we go. You can see loads of LEDs. Let's turn it off, turn it on. Then we have modes. As you can see, this is what IC means, integrated circuit. So you can have different colors on the different length of the strip. So you can have blue here, and then green there, and then red there, and then it's just changing all the time. Yeah, right, really nice. So it can be one full color, but it can change like this, which is really cool. Let's try another mode. As you can see, this is more easier to see how the lights are changing. You've got like different interesting modes. Really cool lights. I love all these modes. As you can see, individual colors and individual brightness on each LED. Really nice. Let's check the remote as well. So here we have all these colors. Then we can do the rainbow. I think is one of the best. Let's say meteor, stars, fire. Nice. Then we can make it speed up. That's really cool. Let's go rainbow. Yeah, rainbow is changing really fast. then we could make it really slow. So as you can see now, it just listens to whatever sound it can pick up and then. So now I'll be downloading this app so I can connect to the strip light. So then we need to allow Bluetooth and get started. Sign in without an account. Continue. Allow. Add the device. And we can actually see the strip light. Yes. And we are already connected. We can actually change the things inside already. Really cool. Favorite things here. Really nice. Turn it off, turn it on. Interesting interface as well. Rename device, color calibration. We have length effect. We have like loads of things here. Music, colors. Really nice. We can actually choose a color as well. We can make it less bright, brighter, blue, any color. Turn it on and off, the dynamic mode, which I like it a lot. And then the music mode. And then you have the inner mic, or you can add the phone mic, or you can even yeah, really nice. And you can use this strip for like any type of project. You can use it for under the table, you can use it for a desk, for a computer. This is the best for like a gaming desk, which is really nice. You can use it for under your bed maybe if you want, or you can basically place it anywhere. And with this 3M tape, which is like this 3M tape is really strong and it will stick to almost anything. So you can see the individual LEDs. So this being USB powered, it can be connected to USB power, to a laptop, to a PC, to a TV, to almost anything. And because of that, it has like 5 volts USB. It's really safe to touch and use.